Hello and welcome everyone. So it's time for another shaving video, but today's a special one. Today's shave is sponsored by the Wet Shaving Store. Now before we get started, I would like to thank the Wet Shaving Store for giving me this opportunity to review this very nice product they sent to me. Well, and you can find the products that's in this video and many more at the Wet Shaving Store at their website called wetshaving.store. They ship worldwide and they provide outstanding customer service. And check out the link in the description. You go directly to the product that I use. So visit their site now. So let's go into what they sent me. It's Master Soap Creations Grapefruit Zest. Almost the same color for my nose here. I hope it's not too disturbing for you. Master Soap Creations, if you go back on my other videos, you'll know, and you'll see, not know, you know if you're a subscriber, you'll see that I've used some Master Soap Creations a dozen times, and I absolutely love them. I haven't tried any of the unmentholated products yet, so I'm be very pleased to see how that unfolds. Comes, camera kind of does it justice here. It's kind of a yellow-ish tint to it. Got a great zestiness going on here of some citrus. Scent strength is between medium and mild, more to the mild side, but we'll see once we lather up. So let's whip up some lather, shall we? So with lathered up, I put on the pre-shave, not because the soap needs to, but just because I put on a bit of a mentholated pre-shave to get a bit of menthol in it. I use the Yaki Mocha brush, 24mm, and you can see those peaks. Whipped our lather in the file accoutrements bowl here. No issues whatsoever. The entire process took approximately just over 1 minute, and we put in an Astra blade, Astra Blue, in my Gillette Slim Adjustable on setting 9. Let's put away the Mueller and get lathering. 3 days of growth. It might not seem that way, but my hair over here is very light and it's very see-through-ish. It comes a bit closer here on the neck. Watch this. Now I do lather up here as well, simply because I enjoy it and it's my shave. So yeah. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing if you like the video. I'm Hans and I am your host at HC Shaves. Now I like my lather a bit on the thicker side. Pasty, as some would call it, but this soap, in my experience, not this particular one, but the brand Master Soap Creation, works great, thick, creamy, and pasty like this, but it also works wet and thin. I'm gonna add a bit more water. A bit more than that, actually. There you go. This is a soap that likes this water. Well, my water anyway. There you go. Doesn't get any better than that. And the zestiness of a grapefruit has now taken over the room. I'll be wetting the Gillette with the Asta Blue with cold water, because I do cold water shaves. And setting 9, first pass with the grain. Oh, yes. Slickness is superb. As with any of the other Master Soap Creations products I have tried. Absolutely amazing. And the scent has gone up in scent strength, and it is here. It is now more of a medium-ish. Before it was verging to be, if I had to choose between mild and medium of the puck, it is a mild scent. But once lathered up, it grows on my nose a bit stronger. Perhaps on the lower end of medium scent strength, but definitely not mild. So if you like soaps with a good amount of scent strength, not overpowering or anything, Master Soap Creations, it's your way to go. Alright, second application. Now the brush has gotten some soap onto it, very slick. Gotta be careful now. Oh. The feel is absolutely amazing. Now I have very sensitive skin. And I have actually also quite a lot of allergies to a bunch of stuff. But I've never had any kind of issues with a Master Soap Creation product. It doesn't seem that I'm having one now. So it feels amazing. So we'll go down from setting 9, setting 7 for the across the growth. And we'll do a slickness test. About Wet Shaving Store and their customer service. The last time I ordered from them, I don't live in the States, so as my accent clearly indicates. My local postal service had seemed to have lost my parcel. They didn't know where it was. So I contacted the folks at the Wet Shaving Store, and they were like, you know what, just give them a few days to try have a chance at locating it. If not, we'll send you a new one. Now luckily, they didn't have to waste resources on that, because the local postal office did find my parcel after I had complained a lot. Look at this. Just wet. No issues at all. Simply glides. And I could still feel the slickness also over here. No issues at all. So, that's actually it. Great feel. Yeah, I'm done. I'll do a face wash and I'll see you at the post shave. So that was a nice, excuse me. So that was a nice, very nice, refreshing face wash with the shaving soap remains. Let's go over what we used before we go to the aftershave of the grapefruit zest. We used the Gillette Slim Adjustable on setting 9 and 7. We used the Artisan Blue, first use. Brush was the Yaki Mocha 24mm. We used a standard sort of, for me anyway, thumbnail size shaving cream soap, and a lot's left in the bowl. 2 passes and a face wash. What could you ask for? Or also green as the pre-shave. This is the soap in question. Master Soap Creation Grapefruit Zest. Great scent, great zestiness of sweet citrus orangey-ish. That's how much we gathered. You could see it there. Not much really. A little goes a long way, and I could have actually added more water, gotten more lather out of it. Great scent, great protection during the shave, and great slickness as well. Let's see about this. It says shake well, and there is no alcohol in their aftershaves, which makes for no burn at all. I can vouch for the post-shave feel of this, which is for me absolutely amazing. There's no burn in it because there's no alcohol, and there's lots of great skin food in it, hence the amazing post-shave feel. Now, let's open it up. And it comes out as a milky consistency, as all the others do, I can tell, yes. Goes on easily. Oh. I need more. This is amazing. Great scent, this. Very, very, very nice. Great, 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 great shave. Great shaving products. Usual standard from Master Soap Creations. Go check out my other videos and see how they performed. Thank the Wet Shaving Store for sponsoring this video and this content. I'm very honored for it. Now you can find the products in this video and many more at the Wet Shaving Store at the website wetshaving.store. They ship worldwide and they provide outstanding customer service. Go check out the links in the description. Go directly to the products being used today. I thank you very much for your attention. Stay safe, and I wish you a very great week for great shaves. Bye bye.